Hi, this is Mike Seifert here at New Michigan Realty. Today's video is about who is New Michigan Realty in case you're a new agent or you're considering switching companies. I think that this is important that you basically meet the broker firsthand, at least through a video and then possibly in person to get more details. But it's really important that you know what type of company you're coming over to, and that's what I'm talking about today. So let's talk about what we're not. We're not a discount brokerage firm. We're a full service brokerage company, just like any other major brokerage in the area. We compete with RE/MAX, Keller Williams, some of the smaller ones. So we're in the mix and we're growing and we're not going to stop. So we're not a discount broker. Number two, our training is different. We train on fundamentals here at this company. How to write up paperwork, what to do when you get the client. We don't train how to prospect necessarily. We can help you, but we don't tell you how to get clients. We tell you how to handle those clients once you get them. Because a lot of agents, they're not trained on how do you handle the client, what's the next step after you obtain a client. So that's one thing. So there's two sides to this business. There's obtaining clients, prospecting, sending out letters, things of that nature. The second part of this business is fundamentals, I like to say. And that is paperwork, how to handle the client, safety procedures, things of that nature. So that's what we teach here. Number three, we are a company that has people in the field like myself. I still practice real estate in the field. However, I don't do a lot of transactions. I don't compete against my agents here at the office. Because I do other stuff such as business brokering and commercial real estate. I do sell residential property for family, friends, and referrals. However, I am not out there marketing myself in the same neighborhood perhaps one of my agents are. So that's what we don't do is compete against each other. The broker is not competing against its agents. So let's talk about what is New Michigan Realty, what we are. We are a very aggressive company. We are a responsible company. The broker does care about its agents. I do care about how this company grows and what happens to it. I'm always aware of what's going on in the company. Now, I can't watch every single agent 100% of the time, but as far as knowing what's going on, I at least contact the agents if I don't hear from them at least once a month to remind them that I'm here for you. We do provide training. So the training that we provide is one-on-one or group training. It's open training. You can ask questions of what you're struggling with. We'll answer those questions. You'll know how to do something. Or if you're just starting out, we will teach you how to start out fundamentally and a little bit of prospecting. But our basis is fundamentals. So we have training. We have one-on-one. I sit down at least 1 or 2 times a week with multiple agents. And I go over about a 3-hour training with them. It's not just 20 minutes of training. It's 3 hours. They're getting grilled on everything. They're asking me questions on everything. And I'm explaining to them in detail how to do something to the best of my ability. Now, if I can't answer a question or I don't know how to do something that's occurred in my past 17 years of experience, I will ask another agent in my office who's more experienced. We have an agent that's been here 24 years in the business, so I can ask him and I can ask multiple people that I know. But, there's always something new every day that comes up. Nobody in the industry knows everything. And whomever tells you that they know everything and they're the best and this and that, they're probably lying. So we're a humble company. We don't go out there and tell people we're the best company in the world, we're this and that. Because I believe that performance speaks for itself. Telling people and talking and saying you're going to do this and that is just, to me, nonsense. Basically, we just want to perform out there. And, our reputation is important. My reputation is important. So I care about all this stuff. So you're coming over to a company that's not a big box company, box store company, whatever you want to call it, Keller Williams, RE/MAX. You're not going to pay a ton of fees over here. Mark my words, though, and remember this, please. Just because our fees are lower does not mean, and I am absolutely dead serious, does not mean our quality is any different than any of the other companies in the area. I promise you, the amount of hours I put into this company with our agents, we are a good company. And the reason is because I work 6-7 days a week, and my agents do too. And we're all trying to, get ahead and gain clients. So just because you're paying $159 a month, okay, does not mean that you're getting a lower quality service, a lower quality brokerage. We have a nice office here in Troy. We have all the equipment you can need and use. So there's really no excuses. What we don't do is provide leads. And I can tell you right now, any brokerage company that promises you that we will provide leads over another company, they are simply misleading you. And I can tell you right now, they are not going to give you, the broker over there is not going to give you a $500,000 lead that comes in to his firm, his or her firm. They are going to take that $500,000 lead for themselves. The leads that most new agents receive are $50,000, $60,000, $80,000 leads that may not turn out to be anything. Now, we always teach respect the small transactions as much as the large transactions. But I'm just saying, most of the leads are not going to be qualified people. It might just be someone off of Zillow that just wants to browse, just wants to look through homes. So the leads never pan out to be really much. And most agents have their own leads. They develop their own leads throughout the years. So why should you pay a company like Keller Williams 35-40% of your pay with franchise fees? If you get a $6,000 paycheck, you're coming out for like $3,500, $4,000. Plus, their monthly fees are more than ours, for example. So why pay a company out there $25,000, $30,000 a year, $15,000 maybe on a cap, when you can save that money, come here for $2,000 a year and plug in that money into your own business and hire your own administrative people, do your own advertising. I guarantee you're going to get ahead here way faster than another company, only because you can plug in your own money. Now, there's other network marketing companies out there that talk about they're going to pay you if you recruit people. The problem with those companies are they just recruit people. They're not selling real estate. And their cap, and one of these companies, I'm not going to name names, it's $16,000 a year. So no matter what, you're paying them $16,000 a year, even in this network marketing type company I'm describing. And second, even to get paid on your downline in a network marketing type real estate brokerage, the people you recruit have to cap out at $16,000 a year. You don't get paid unless they cap out. Now, maybe you might get paid as they go, as they sell something, but it's not going to be a lot of money. It's not going to be what they promised you. Some companies promise company stock. Please, when a company promises you stock, please look at the financials. Go on Yahoo. Go on TD Ameritrade. If it's a public company especially, please look up their financials and ask them if they're profitable and what they're doing and how their numbers are. Because the company I'm describing has negative numbers. And the facts don't lie. It is what it is. They're going to tell you that they're the greatest, they're awesome, they're growing. Their revenue might be growing. Their agent base might be growing. But their profitability is coming down because they cannot keep up with the formula of having 10, 20 agents under one person and paying all those people up to 7 levels on a downline. So just be cautious when you're looking at a network marketing type real estate firm that hypes it up. Because from my experience in network marketing back in the day, the company I worked with is no longer in business. It took them about 8 years, 9 years, and they were out. So and they were a public company as well. They had a lot of money backing them, and they could not make it. So anyhow, that is New Michigan Realty. That's who we are. That's what we're doing here. If you're new to the business, I'll be happy to help you get started in the business. I cannot guarantee you business. I cannot guarantee you clients. That's something I can never say. It is totally up to you if you want to be successful. It's not up to the broker to give you leads and to make you successful. Either you're an entrepreneur or you're not, and you're going to have to find that out deep inside you when you get into the business. If you can handle the business, that's another point. Speaking of handling the business, if you are looking for a quick paycheck with real estate sales or real estate in general, investing, whatever it may be, don't come into the real estate business. If you're looking for quick money, this is the wrong business for sure. You will not make money probably it's going to take 6 to 9 months to get established. Now, you might get lucky. Some people might disagree and say, I made money my first month. Well, God bless you. If you have leads your first month, you're coming out of a different company, and you had a whole client database like a mortgage person or insurance person, then great, you're going to make money right away. But if you're brand new, have never, ever even did real estate in your life, 6 to 9 months minimum. A lot of people just get discouraged. But if you're in a company like this and you plug into our resources, you plug into our social networks like our Facebook group page, we will keep you motivated. And I will do the best I can to keep you going. But I cannot promise you clients and that you're going to make money at any firm. And whoever tells you you're going to make a fortune at their firm, $100,000 a year, $200,000 a year, is simply lying. No firm can tell you that because it's all based on you, your ability, your talents, and your heart. What's inside? Do you really want to succeed? Are you ready to put in hard work? Because I'm telling you, if you're not ready to work hard, don't get into the real estate business. It's a lot of hard work. It's not just you sell a house and boom, bang, boom, you get paid. There's a lot of things that can go wrong and there's a lot of liability. So know what you're doing. That's why when you come to this company at New Michigan Realty, I will make sure that you know your paperwork. So hopefully you don't get sued. The company doesn't get sued. And then we have to use our errors and omissions insurance. We don't ever want to do that. We've never had that happen. So anyways, I hope this video was helpful. I just wanted to explain to you a little bit about who we are here, who am I, and I'm glad that you watched this video, and I hope that someday I can help you out. And again, if you're thinking about coming over to a great company, give me a call, 586-360-7876. And I know we're a great company because I know the hours and dedication I've put into this company. And I want to make it even better. And I want to keep it a great company. So I'm looking for you. Great agents out there. Good agents. Strong agents. People that know what they're doing. Independent people. New agents. That's fine. We'll train you. If you're an independent, experienced or veteran agent, consider coming over here. You're going to save a lot of money. You're not going to be bothered. You can do what you want as far as in the legal basis. You can charge what you want. As far as you can adjust your commissions up and down for your clients. There's no mandates here. You have total freedom as an entrepreneurial real estate agent. So if you're a veteran agent, give us a try. At least come talk to me. I've been in the business 17 years. We're not like a brand new company. I know a decent amount of knowledge. You might know more than me as a veteran agent of 25, 30, 40 years. But I'm telling you, if you want to work out of a decent office and you want to save money, then you might want to consider us. So, okay, so thank you for your time and have a great day.